So what's good everyone? Seeing the red color in my screen, one can sense that things aren't going good right now. The crypto fear and greed index is at extreme fear, but as always, fear and extreme fear are the phases where one should buy, where one should dollar cost average and accumulate in small proportions. Alright? So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 coins that are ready to be bought into deep right now. Also, the last one is going to be a special coin, a gaming gem, I would say, which can give us at least 5x from now. So whatever I'd said in this video is completely my opinion and not a financial advice and should not be treated as a financial advice at all. So without further ado, let's begin with the video. So guys, in this Bitcoin's chart, let us see, as this thumbnail says, I have told in thumbnail that we are in the end game, right? So what's this end game? So from beginning of the December at around 4th December, we are going through this consolidation phase. See, sometimes it tests this red area and sometimes go back near this white area, right? So we are continuously rotating between, or I would say consolidating between these two areas. And this red line is a very special support that I had already shared in my Telegram channel. See, right now around at 10th December, you can see around 10th December I shared that the red line around 46,170 is the most important support for now. It's an important Fibonacci retracement level from 2017 bull run. So sometimes I'm not available to make videos, but I share such quick updates on my Telegram channels, and I keep on engaging with the community on Telegram channel as well as sharing such updates. So please join my Telegram channel. It will be really beneficial for you. So on 10th December, when no one was talking about it and not many are still talking about this red line, right? That time I told everyone that this is a strong support area. Look, see, we have barely made I'd say we haven't made an candle closing below this red line. So this red line is holding it strong. It's the reason why I've made it as a separate color. See, rest of my support line are of white color, but this is an important support from 2017 bull run. It's a Fibonacci retracement from 2017 bull run. That's why I have highlighted it differently. So this area should hold. This area should give good bounce, and it has given some bounce today, right? Almost 3% up from the red line. So this area should give a good bounce, and then here stays an end game. See, look, here there are important moving averages in this area. There are resistance of around 50 moving averages, 100 EMA and 50 EMA, right? So this area is of really importance for this bull cycle to continue. We need a candle closing above this line, right? If we get a candle closing about this line, there's a high priority that I must say probability, not a priority. It's high probability that we may see a new all-time high of Bitcoin. And if it closes below this red line, we might test this 42,000 area. 42,000 once again is a really important support. And if it breaks down, we may test lower areas of even 30,000. But for now, this red line holds strong, and I believe that we would get a decent bounce and again see these areas. There's also one more factor as to why we would see this area. So previous week we made a bullish engulfing. So bullish engulfing is when this candle entirely gets, this red candle entirely gets filled up, or this green candle of previous week entirely eats up the previous red candle. This is called a bullish engulfing. But right now, for this bullish engulfing to play out well, we should obviously see a closing above this one, right? So we should close our week in this area, and if our week closes in this area near 52,000, then it's a really bullish scenario. We might even make a closing above this area, and we might then go on to check this ultimatum. These was a really strong resistance, right? So 60,000 areas resistance we may test and even break it and make our new all-time highs. So this was the update for Bitcoin, right? So our next coin is Solana. So Solana is taking a support over here at 171 area. If it comes back, look, it's a really strong support, right? We've already seen a multiple bounce from here in past. Look over here. Look over here, the Solana took bounce and tested this upper area. So right now it's also expected to bounce from 171 area. If 171 area breaks, then we may see a support in between 160 to 163 area. So Solana is a really important coin regarding all the development going on in Solana. This is a gem for a long time. So we should, a dollar cost average into Solana, buy Solana in small proportions. Moving forward, our next coin is Matic. So Matic just made an all-time high at around $2.93, right? And after that, it's showing a pullback. So it's testing its Fibonacci retracement of 0.236. That's around $2.39, right? So right now the price is 2.5. If it comes again in this 2.39 area, I'm going to add some Matic. And after that, this area around 2.227 or 2.217, my bad, is a really strong area, because look over here, it made a previous all-time high. This area is Matic's previous all-time high, right? And once again, the price took support over here and it took multiple resistance over here. And this moving average, there is 50 EMA in daily time frame, is also going to come near this area. So 2.217, I'm going to buy or DCA my another proportion of portfolio that I'm allocating to Matic, right? And if this area breaks $2, oh boy, I'm going to grab that opportunity with both my hands if Matic comes at $2 area. Why? Because $2 is also 0.38 to Fibonacci ratio, as well as it's a strong horizontal support. Over here, look, it gave a support. See, over here also it gave a support. And something is wrong with my charts. Oh, okay, it came back. And over here also it gave support. And right now we have a 50 moving averages in this area of $2.050. So best entry would be 2.050. So if you don't want to miss the entry before that, the area that I suggested, 2.443 to 2.438, this area is first buying entry, and after that near 2.217, and after that the best entry would be at 2.050. So moving forward, our next coin is Sand. So Sand also recently made an all-time high. Recently, I mean in November, at nearly 8.5, right? So after that, it has retraced and tested this area. A little bit of above move, but right now it's once again testing this area of nearly 5.7416. See, it's a strong support over here. And currently it's holding its support from here. See, here also there was a week, this area gave a support, and once again it gave a support over here. It gave multiple resistance right now over here, and then once again it showed support in near 24 December, and right now also this area is a support, but this is the latest area. So if this area breaks, the area nearby 4.64 would be a really good support. See, it resisted here. Okay, and then it showed a good support over here. So these are the two nearest entry in Sand coin. So moving forward, let's talk about Mana. So Mana also is quite a bit down from its all-time high. Let's see how much down. So it's nearly 44% down from its all-time high, right? So right now it's taking a support in my this white line, that's 3.16. So again, really good buying opportunity for Mana, right? See, over here it resisted. This area acted as a resistance. It showed multiple times support over here, then it made an all-time high, then it also showed support over here, and it is yet to go further down than this area. But if it does goes down, then 2.6214 is another strong area to make an entry into Mana coin. Alright, so now let's move forward to talk about the gem of a coin, that is S-Fund. So it's CD5.fund. So first let's talk about fundamentals. So CD5.fund is a launching my bad, forgive my fumbling. So it's a launching platform for gaming tokens, right? So various IGO like see MetaStrike, the IGO will be live in 11 days. Space Misfits, the IGO will be live in 15 days. So many gaming platforms take their seed round or private sale round from CD5.fund. So it's not dependent on a single game, right? So if one game doesn't work, the other will work. To participate in these IGOs, one need to stake seed fund into this website. So the gaming enthusiast or those who want to invest in gaming coins are always going to hold this CD5.fund coin. So that's why it's really strong fundamentally. It's really strong fundamentally, right? So it made an all-time high at nearly $18 area. So if we see right now, it's nearly 55% down from its all-time high, guys. So what a buying opportunity. Over here also there's a little bit of support right now. If I draw a horizontal support, see, it took some support over here. This line gave some resistance over here right now. Also we are testing this support at nearly 8.04 area, and after this one breaks, the strong support will be at 7.39. That's also Fibonacci ratio of 0.618, which is considered as a golden ratio, right? So in this area at around $7, it's golden opportunity to buy and to invest into seed fund. It has the potential to give at least 5x from here, considering its high utility. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. I will be back and with some more amazing facts about crypto. See you soon.